Hello to everyone who is here today with us. Thank you for joining me. My name is Mark and I'm from the marketing department for Ellis Sporting Goods. Let's get right to it. Throughout our presentation, we'll be covering the following three aspects. This includes analysis of the acquisition data we obtained via multiple digital marketing channels to provide insights and correlation that can inform ESG's approach to digital marketing. Additionally, based off these insights, we'll be provided multiple data-driven tactics that ESG should implement. Recommendations into additional data sources will also be supplied to help them develop a better understanding of the customer's journey and why it is important to invest in as a business. Finally, we will cover any ethics or privacy considerations the business will need to address directly based on the above tactics and recommendations. Let's look at the year-on-year comparison of EDM across the business over the two same periods of time. You can see the results are very positive. An overall large increase in revenue between the user and the new user base. However, specifically, we notice the difference between the number of users does not differentiate much year-on-year. So what does this tell us? Our existing customers are responding very positively to our email channel. Our conversion rate has increased from 0.32% to 0.75%. Our customers are spending an average of 20 more seconds per session, and we have seen a decrease of 7 to 8% in our bounce rate. Increasing our budget on email campaigns for our existing customers by driving more email capture and consent will not only cost less than new customers, but increase revenue further. Moving on to our next slide brings us to another year-on-year comparison, this time in relation to the paid search digital channel for ESG, specifically the budget expenditure on cost per click ads and how that correlates to revenue. From zero to hero, we achieved huge revenue spikes in all CPC sources, but especially Google search engine marketing. From 0 transactions in 2019 to 3,803 transactions in 2020, resulting in $716,211 in revenue that didn't exist in the same period a year prior. Additionally, Bing CPC had the highest conversion rate of all three sources on a very small sample of users compared to Facebook and Google. Increasing our budget on Bing CPC will increase our revenue as users are spending an average of 2 minutes longer per session compared to Google and Facebook.